Doesn't life get very boring? Nothing clocks, breaking telephones. So much time, so little movement. Don't you feel the need to get out of home? Break your glass and cut the strings that attach you to your couch. You remind me of Homer Simpson, but I don't think you care much. Are you marrying that computer? I don't know, you look so much in love. From the bedroom to the kitchen, fastest time since 2004. And your big plan for the evenings, draw your penis in the dark. Under action, overweight, crazy genius superstar. Bet your mommy and daddy are proud of you. Bet they buy you t-shirts wide enough. If I were them, I would be showing you life is tough. If I were them, I wouldn't buy you any food. From the kitchen to the bedroom, you're so happy now that you've returned. And you paid $1.50, made a friend at I'mAlone.com. And your big plan for the evenings, get her naked on the chat. Under action, overweight, crazy genius superstar. Stop eating so much food. If I were you, I would go out to the street. You know there's actually a world outside the screen. You know there's actually a world outside your room. Doesn't life get very boring? Nothing clocks and breaking telephones. So much time, so little movement. Don't you feel the need to get out of home? When you have met all your friends, paying the money from your mom. And your big plan for the evenings, get them naked on the chat.